moving cup. So, ayan po, tingnan natin yung drawing, paano minumove yung cup. So, this is an excellent method of massage and can be performed with cups with rubbing squeezer. Rubber squeezer. The skin needs to be rubbed with oil. So, kailangan po natin lagyan muna ng oil bago tayo mag-rub para hindi masakit sa balat. Olive oil kung meron. Pero kung wala po, pwedeng vegetable oil. Pwede rin po sa atin dito sa Pinas, siyempre very good yung VCO, virgin coconut oil. And St. John's wort oil, sa ibang bansa po siguro ito natatagpuan na, wala sa atin yan eh. It's very warming, pero kung nag-online tayo, meron na tayo yan. And then the cup is fixed at the spot and fold along the skin downwards or outward several times until there is a red skin reaction. The direction in which the cup could be full is decided by where the fluid should be dispelled to. Yan. Kaya mahalaga po yung ilalagyan muna natin ng oil para kahit saan mo i-direct yung iyong cup, susunod po yun. Pag walang oil, masakit po yan. Ma-update. Hindi mo pati may gagalaw. This is very effective in neck pain, where the neck and shoulders are somewhat swollen. So pwede po yan. So yung mga nag-stiff neck, very good po yan. Ang bilis niyang ma-manipulate po yung, yung tonify or yung nagdi-dispel ng energy. It can be used to treat cellulitis and carpal tunnel syndrome locally to move the stagnant dampness. It is also very good for chronic sinusitis. When the patient complains that there is much mucus and the head is feeling fuzzy, moving cup is then performed on the neck. Yan. Sa neck po ninyo, basta careful lang po, tingnan nyo, baka naman may mga, po, kung may sugat, bawal po, bawal tapat kasi mapdi pag dinaanan. Okay. So, yung bleeding cup, ito po yung wet cupping, So, bleeding is used to release. So, nagbi-bleed po tayo to release heat from the area or an organ. Kasi sa TCM po, yung heat, sumasama po yun, nandun yun sa blood. Kaya kung marami pong heat yung katawan, ang pinapalabas natin yung heat through blood. So, blood stagnation from an area. So, bloodletting may be done in quiet a few ways. So, cupping could be used as one of the methods. Yung pagpapalabas po ng dugo, pwede yung cupping, yun nga, medyo susugatan ng konti. So, isang technique para lumabas yung init sa katawan. One needs to have the forceps ready with a ball of cotton wool, already moist with some surgical spirit, a lighter and a large cup, having highlight the area to be bleed. Clean the skin, napakahalaga po nun ha, po muna ninyo, linisin nyo ng alcohol, yung inyong i-bleed, and make several punctures with lancet in the area. So then immediately light the fire and place the cup on the bleeding area. So yung kapas yung ginagamit natin, itatapat mo po dun sa cup, pero wag niyong painitin po yung bibig ng cup ha, kasi pag umiinit po yun, magkakaroon ng iitim po yun gilid, masakit, pwedeng masugat. So that a greater amount of bleeding occurs in the cup. The cup is left for 5 minutes. 5 minutes lang po, wag papasobrahan. And then remove and the skin cleaned. The punctured area does not need to be dressed. So hindi po nyo kailangan takpan yung na-punctured. Kaya alam po ninyong kasi maliit lang naman po yung inopen nyo dun eh. So bleeding cup is very efficient method to eliminate heat from an organ, whether in an acute or chronic state. Yan.